Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. It's me again, and today's video is about hairstyling, but it is actually inspired by Shandy, Beauty, Naturals, and Instagram. You can see that. So just go to our Instagram page and follow her. She has a whole lot of information for you.
First of all, let's moisturize those lips. Okay, my hair is freshly washed and I already oiled and put in a leave-in conditioner, then sectioned into parts that I'll be working with. I have two small sections on both sides that I'll be flat twisting, and then I'm working on the first section right now. So I'll take out a little section, use a styling custard and detangle, then go over to flat twist. So this is how I do my flat twist. I kind of like flat twist my hair in two different ways depending on the angle. So I'll begin like I'm doing a two-strand twist, then work my way through by adding more hair, apply same tension, and then just go on like that. I hope that makes sense to you. Okay, so let's take it again. Take a little out, split it into two, and then start like you're doing a two-strand twist. Then go on, add more hair as you move on, and make sure that you're using the same tension, because if you don't, you realize that your hair isn't twisting. It's going to come out like poofy and just lose shape. Okay, yo, you can catch up with me on Instagram at Sindupsi, where I share pictures and words to make you love your natural hair. I wanted to embrace the natural hair. If you haven't yet, I think that is all what I'm about, really. And you can also catch me up on Facebook at Sindupsi as well, where I'm trying to share some lovely posts on there. So even if you miss a thing on my Instagram or on YouTube, you can always catch me up on Facebook. And I'm also at naturalsandupsi.com.ng, which is my natural hair and lifestyle blog. Okay, moving on. Custard is from Afroroots, and I will leave the review link below in the description box. So I'm going to do the same step on this side, but now I'm flat twisting this other side of my hair, and I don't do it like I do the two-strand twist. Flat twisting like I'm doing cornrows. So the difference is you're only working with two strands, let me put it like that, instead of three strands like cornrowing. So the reason why I do it is because I usually don't get a perfect flat twist when I flat twist this other side of my hair like I'm doing the two strand like I did the first method. So it works well for me to hold my hair this way and then flat twist the hair all the way down. And you see there's no difference, it's the same, just that it works well for me when I'm doing this on my right hand side. Okay, I think that's my left hand side. Okay, so that's basically it, and I'll just do a single strand twist all over my hair, and then when I come to the front section I will twist the front section forward. That's what I call directional. When you want your hair to fall on a particular side, you have to twist it towards that side. So I'll twist the front side towards the front because of how I'm going to style the front part of my hair. So that's about it. I did a 3 flat twist on one side, then did like 4 and be a little bit dramatic on that other side. So let's grab some bobby pins and pick some twists from your right, lay it over towards your left and then pin it down. Pick some from the left, lay it over towards the right, making sure it covers the pin of the previous one, then pin that down as well. Go over to the right again, do the same, cover up the previous pin, pin it down. Go over to the left, do the same, cover up the previous pin, then pin it down. It's quite simple. You're just basically going from left to right and making sure that the bobby pins of the previous one is not showing, so you're making sure the other part that you picked is covering up the bobby pins. I hope you understand. And then I'll finish up with the strands from my flat twist. They get tucked in last, so they don't get mixed up with others. It's kind of like make it look neat and nice. So for the front, you're going to pack every single twist that you can find. You're going to pull it out. If it's not long enough, you can just grab some pins to hide them. I mean, the hair that comes from the back, they might not be long enough for you to pull up like that, so you can just use bobby pins to hide them. And then I just move it sideways, then stylishly hide the whole tip with my pin, and that is basically it. So simple. The front part is kind of like different from what Shandy has, but Shandy's ear is longer than mine, and then we don't have the same type of face, so our style didn't actually fit me. I had to do it my own way to make it fit the frame of my face. So that is basically it, y'all, and I hope you like it. I hope you try it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you like my videos, please subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.